Welcome back to my channel, friends. If you are watching this channel for the first time, then let me tell you that I do videos related to digital marketing, blogging and online businesses. I also do SaaS reviews. If you enjoy videos which are related to these categories, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notification icon so that you never miss any of my updates. People use Aweber as a normal email marketing tool. But do you know that you can also send automatic newsletters to your subscribers? You can also do email automation using Aweber. You can also build landing pages. Yes guys, in today's video I will show you the 2020 tutorial about Aweber email marketing tool. Why I'm making this video in this year? Because they have recently launched a free plan. With the free plan you can get around 500 subscribers per month. So without wasting any time, let's get into my laptop and check how Aweber is looking in 2020.
So guys, we are back into my laptop screen and right now I'm in the dashboard of Aweber. This is gonna be a complete tutorial. So grab a cup of coffee and let's learn Aweber. So this is the dashboard. As you can see, they are telling me that welcome to Aweber. Right now, I am running on a free plan. You can also upgrade according to your subscriber list. So when you click on upgrade, these are the plans. I really like these plans because they are flexible, and the main part is there are no restrictions. Like in other email tools, they restrict you to use certain facilities and certain features, but in Aweber, there are no restrictions. So here you can either select the monthly plan or quarterly plan or annual plan. So if you go with the monthly plan, you can always send unlimited emails to 500 people. In the free plan, you can send 3,000 emails to 500 people. So this is a good spot to start with if you don't have a budget. If you have some budget, then obviously go with this plan because they will give you automations and advanced reports, website tracking, sales tracking, custom branding, link profiles, etc., etc. Let's get back to the dashboard. This is the dashboard. So if you want to build a list, you can just come here and clear and click on add subscribers. So if you want to add only one contact, you can click over here, or if you want to import a CSV or something, you can click over here. You can simply drop your file, which can be XLS or CSV or TXT or whatever file you have. Then this is how you import subscribers to Aweber. If you want to create an email, you can just click on create. Here they have a smart designer. Let's say you have a website. Let's say I have a website called www.satyaruji.com. Then I will click on create my template. So what Aweber will do is it will take all the informations and branding that is available on your website and give you a smart designer tool that will automatically generate email templates for your campaigns. So if you don't have a lot of time to invest, you can simply come here and put your website link. Then it will show you amazing templates that you can work with. So this is one blogging for dummies. Let's say I want this particular blog post to go to my email list. So I clicked it. Now you can see how well they have arranged the blogs for me. So they took my website link. They knew that this is a blog kind of website. So they created this beautiful looking email template for me. So it will take you at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to build such template. So why not use this smart designer? I really love this particular feature, which I really don't see anywhere else in the market. So if you want to save it, you can save the template. You can just click the list you want. Then you can give a template name. Let's say test. Then click import. After creating template, I will show you how to connect integrations. So this is where you can connect your favorite applications. Like if you want to connect Facebook Leads, Gmail, if you have any CRM, any sort of tool that you think, any sort of tool that you use on daily basis, you can come here and integrate them. To be honest, guys, I have never seen this amount of integrations with any other tool in market. Once you go and click on available integrations, it will show you that 1031 integrations are live. Before 7 days, I was checking it, it was around 1012 or 1020. Basically, they are adding integrations every single week. You can see all the popular integrations over here. They have ClickFunnels, they have WordPress, Facebook, PayPal, lead pages, mail opt-in, Thrive Leads is another one. We have Zapier. So they are the king of integrations, I must say. They have all the integrations that are needed for an online business. So now that you know how to build your list, how you can create templates, and how you can connect integrations and all those available integrations of Aweber, now let's go down and see the mostly asked feature about Aweber, which is landing pages. You can see they have landing pages over here, and it is written that it is updated. So let's go ahead and take a look. I will choose create a landing page. Now you can see there are a lot of landing pages options available here. So let's say I will choose this one. This is related to my business. So I will choose this template. You can also choose thank you pages, simple signups. So I have chosen the consultation one. So here we are in the drag and drop editor of the landing page. So let's say if you don't want this logo, you can simply go ahead and delete these, and you can change your headlines. Let's say I will choose 15 days blogging boot camp for beginners. Okay, so if you want to change the image, you can upload something to it. Let's say I will choose any image from my PC. Let's say I will upload image. Say I will use my own image. Then click on upload. Now you can choose this image and it will appear over here. Now you can add any offer or anything like a lead magnet to it. Get access to my ebook now. So you can literally change anything you want. Let's say you want to add any benefit. Let's say you want to add a benefit like one on one consultation, 30 days money back. So basically anything that you want to add about your program or your particular product or service, you can add it over here. And yes, you can also add videos. You can just replace this link with your YouTube link so that it can appear over here, which I don't want to show right now because this video will be too lengthy. Once done, what you can do is you can click on preview. So this is how it looks like. You can change anything you want, any photo, any video, anything, and just click on save and exit. So that's it, guys. That was how the landing pages work with the Aweber. Now you can see it is asking me to publish this. As you can see, this is also totally mobile friendly. You can go ahead and click on publish. You can change or delete this. You can also give a name to your landing page. Now that we know how to build this, how to create email templates, how to connect integrations, and how to deal with landing pages, now I will show you some of the most advanced features of this tool. One of the great feature of this tool, which I really love, is the blog broadcasts. Here it is. Once you go to the message and click on blog broadcasts, Here you can see create a blog broadcast, transform your blog into your newsletter. So basically what it does is it automatically broadcasts new newsletter or new blog posts to your blog audience. So it is just like set and forget. It will always send them the newsletter into their inbox using the blog broadcast feature. Not all the email tools have this particular feature, and I really love Aweber for introducing this one. If you want to create a blog broadcast, all you have to do is create a blog broadcast, then put your RSS feed over here. Then you can put any subject you like. Then you can add any custom messages over here. Then you can also add links and texts. You can also put your send time, like if you want to send 12 a.m. Eastern time or 1 a.m. Eastern time, or let's say 3 p.m., let's say 4 p.m. It totally depends on you. If you want, you can also track social sharing and link clicks with this particular tool. Now I will talk about the sign up forms. If you want to create a sign up form and integrate it into your blog or your website to collect leads, or maybe to collect newsletter sign-ups or emails, you can simply come to sign up forms, then click on create a sign up form. Here you can choose your style. One is sail, one is bright, one is diagonal, one is shadow, one is simple. If you want a more colorful one, then I would suggest you to go with the sail one. Then I will go to step 3. Now it is asking you to install your form. You can easily install this form by clicking the HTML code. What you can do is you can just copy this code from here and paste it wherever you want it to appear on your website. So that was everything about the sign up forms. Now, if you want to know about some list options, like whether they have tags or not, right now all the email marketing tools are using the tags. Normally, before we used list names, right now tags are the very recent feature that every single email tool is having. Once you have few subscribers, you can use the tag. If you don't know much about tags, you can come and learn over here. And last but not the least, they have reports over here. If you want to check your email reports, the bounce rate, the statistics, how much people opened, how many people clicked, so you can come here and check your reports. So that is basically it, guys. These are all the features right now Aweber is providing. If you have any questions related to Aweber, you can put it in the comment box below. Now, if you love my work and you want me to create more and more videos for you guys, you can use the affiliate link that is in the description to sign up for Aweber. They are not going to charge you more than the normal price, but yes, I will get a small commission from Aweber so that I keep myself motivated to create more and more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you again. Bye bye.